The easiest way to make your stainless steel sink shine like it was brand new is to use food-grade mineral oil. That's the same oil used to seal cutting boards. After you clean and dry your sink, all you need to do is spread the mineral oil around and wipe up the excess. It also does a great job at removing hard water spots. If you have difficulty removing the wrapper from sticks of butter, especially when it's frozen, all you need to do is run it under some hot water real quick, and the butter will fall right out. You can save a significant amount of money by buying a whole chicken instead of individual pieces. I use a set of poultry shears to remove the backbone from the chicken and then cut the chicken into individual pieces. Obviously, I'm not a professional butcher, but it does save me a lot of money. You can see for yourself that I converted one $6 whole chicken into about 4 or 5 meals. Now I'm going to show you how to significantly reduce the time it takes to cook something in your Instant Pot or other electric pressure cooker with a removable pan. The easiest way to speed the process up is to put all your ingredients in your Instant Pot and then put the pan on your stovetop burner using the powerful stovetop burner to bring the temperature up until it starts to boil. A typical stovetop heating element has 4 times as much power as an Instant Pot heating element. This means, of course, that the liquid in the pan is going to come to a boil much, much quicker. Once the liquid comes to a boil, you can use oven mitts to protect your hands and drop the pan into your electric pressure cooker. Heating the liquid this way won't cause any damage because your electric pressure cooker is made to operate at these temperatures. After you replace the cooking pot and put the lid on, it'll take about 1 minute before the digital clock starts counting down. If you're like me and you like a little chopped onion on your hot dog, you always seem to have a lot of leftover chopped onion that seems to go to waste. Well, all you need to do is chop up the onion, put it in a jar with ketchup or mustard in it, and it'll last about 6 weeks. Plus, it won't stink up your refrigerator. And while we're on the subject of stinky refrigerators, believe it or not, folks, newspaper is the best thing for removing refrigerator odors. And that's because newspaper, when compared to baking soda, has a large surface area. And as the air cascades across it, the newspaper absorbs odors. One of the great benefits of using newspaper is that it helps prevent your ice cubes from having an odor. You only need to put the newspaper in the freezer section because 100% of the air in your refrigerator circulates through the freezer. Change it whenever it smells bad, and you'll be amazed at how well it works. A very easy way to peel eggs is to put them in ice after they're done cooking, and then drop them in a jar, shake them up, and the peel comes right off. If you're going to use those eggs to make egg salad, a very easy way to do that is to use the egg slicer. You slice down once, turn the eggs 90 degrees, and slice again. You have almost instant chopped eggs. An easy way to separate garlic bulbs from the head is to put it in a jar and shake it up. Before I share with you one of my favorite tips, how to keep SOS pads from rusting, I wanted to show you how I bump up the flavor of my French bread pizza or frozen pizza. I melt a little butter in the microwave, add some garlic salt, and spread it on the bottom. To prevent your SOS pads from ever rusting, deny them oxygen. You can do that by putting them in a jar and sealing it tight. Now, if you think I did a good job on this video, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Thanks for watching.